Hello, my friend of karmic affinity. When night falls and the soft yellow lights begin to glow in your room, it is a signal for the noisy world outside to quiet down. Perhaps at this very moment, you feel your body exhausted and your shoulders heavy after a long day of carrying too many responsibilities. We often turn to our beds as a place to escape weariness, wishing to switch off our consciousness to forget all troubles. But my dear friend, there is a miraculous and sacred truth that we often forget. That is, when you sleep, your body does not rest in the way you think. It never abandons you. As soon as your consciousness steps back, a great natural wisdom within wakes up to begin the most important work, silently repairing, healing wounds, and regenerating your life force. Sleep is not an end, but the beginning of a miraculous recovery process. The key does not lie in a sleeping pill, but in your state of mind before closing your eyes. If tonight you know how to set your burdens down and enter sleep with complete peace of mind, your body will begin to heal the deepest hurts, even without you knowing. Relax your entire body, and let me lead you into that land of peace. Night is not the end, but a gateway home. My dear friend, we often mistakenly believe that nightfall is merely a full stop to a tiring workday. But in the deep insight of Buddhist wisdom, darkness is not an end, but a sacred gateway for us to return. It is the time when body and mind are allowed to shed all social roles and external pressures to rediscover their inherent natural rhythm and stillness. Try to contemplate your body for a moment. It possesses an ancient and incredibly miraculous wisdom, one that our consciousness sometimes cannot fully comprehend. When you cut your finger, you do not need to command the wound to heal. The cells themselves know how to reconnect the flesh. When you fall asleep, you do not need to remind your lungs to breathe or your heart to beat. They silently and persistently sustain your life. Therefore, going to sleep is actually an act of absolute trust. It is the moment you hand over control to your body. You allow the noisy intellect to step back, so that the body's natural healing wisdom can take the throne and begin its marvelous restoration work. Trust this soulmate. Why do some wake up refreshed, while others remain exhausted? My dear friend, have you ever wondered why, given the same 8-hour duration, some people wake up with a refreshed spirit full of life, while others feel shattered and achy, as if they just finished a battle last night? The secret does not lie in a soft bed or a quiet space, but entirely in your state of mind as you enter sleep. In reality, there are two ways to sleep. The first way is to sleep in tension, resentment, and anxiety. The second way is to sleep in total letting go and absolute trust. You need to know that your body always listens to the mind's commands, even in the unconscious. If your mind is still busy struggling with yesterday's troubles or tensing up with fear about tomorrow, the body receives a danger signal. It will continue to maintain a state of tension, muscles contracting, and the nervous system not daring to rest to perform the function of repairing damages. Imagine you are a traveler, carrying a heavy backpack on your shoulders, filled with the boulders of responsibility, of unsatisfactory words, or life pressures. You climb into bed, pull up the covers, but you still refuse to take that backpack off. You carry that 1,000-pound weight into your dreams. How can the body recover when it still has to carry such a massive weight throughout the long night? The difference of a healing sleep lies in the courageous act of placing that backpack on the floor before closing your eyes. Only when the mind stops fighting can the body truly be free to begin its miraculous rebirth process. 3 golden keys to open the healing gate. To help you truly put down that heavy backpack and enter a peaceful sleep, I want to gift you 3 golden keys. These are not complex techniques, but gentle intentions that help your mind find its way back to peace. The first key is conscious breath. When you are anxious, your breath often becomes short and hurried. Start by observing your breath. There is no need to try to breathe deeply or control it. Simply be aware that you are breathing. As you pay attention to the breath, a miracle occurs. The breath will automatically slow down, becoming smoother and deeper. This slow breathing rhythm is the first safety signal sent to the nervous system, signaling that the danger has passed and the body is allowed to rest. The second key is letting go of yesterday's burden. The mind tends to cling to unfinished business. But my dear friend, tonight you cannot solve anything more. Whisper this mantra to yourself. Today was enough. I allow everything to stop here. Believe that tomorrow will bring new energy for you to continue. But now is the time to let go. The final key is absolute trust in the body. Do not doubt your own ability to recover. Do not force yourself to sleep immediately. Hand control back to the body. Tell it, I trust you. I know you will take good care of me in my sleep. When the mind stops interfering and controlling, the body will find its natural rhythm to heal the deepest, most hidden wounds. Turning sleep into a sacred demusel. My dear friend, for the 3 keys above to truly work, turn the time before sleep into a sacred ritual. Do not rush to lie down and turn off the light unconsciously. Spend a few minutes of stillness to reconnect with the soulmate that is your own body. Sit comfortably on your bed, keeping your back gently straight. Now, place your left hand on your chest where your heart is beating, and your right hand on your warm lower abdomen. Can you feel the vibration of life beneath your palms? That is the miraculous rhythm that has accompanied you since birth. Send a sincere thank you to your body. Thank the legs that steadily supported you through a long, hard day. Thank the shoulders that carried so many responsibilities. Thank the heart that resiliently beats without tiring, even when you are sad or disappointed. This gratitude is the cool stream that waters the tensed muscles, helping them soften and relax. Next, take a deep breath. Feel your belly expand to touch your hand, and exhale very slowly, casting off all burdens through the breath. Repeat this 3 times. And finally, whisper this powerful affirmation. Tonight, I allow myself to be healed. This is not a superstitious or delusional act. This is a moment of deep reconciliation between mind and body. When you send love and permission, the body receives a signal of absolute safety to drop all defenses and enter the deepest state of rest. The healing. Symbols of sleep. Once the body is enveloped in safety, I invite you to let your mind lean on the beautiful and sacred symbolic images of Eastern wisdom. These images will be the anchor that takes you into the land of deep stillness. You do not need to remember them all. Tonight, just choose one image that your heart feels most resonated with to contemplate. The first image is the lotus flower. Imagine yourself as a lotus bud closing its petals as night falls. The lotus does not bloom for 24 hours. It knows how to withdraw in the evening to preserve its energy and fragrance. Closing the petals is not fading. It is a silent and necessary preparation. In the darkness, the lotus silently absorbs nutrients from the soil and water, so that tomorrow morning when the sun rises, it blooms again more brilliantly and pristinely than ever. Your sleep is that sacred moment of closing petals. Or you can return to the image of the vast ocean. Your mind during the day is like the surface of the sea, always agitated by waves of worry and pressure. But sleep is the journey of diving deep down to the ocean floor. At that depth, there are no storms, no noise, only eternal and deep blue stillness. No matter how the waves toss on the surface, the seabed remains peaceful and unchanging. Let yourself sink into that deep layer where every ordinary disturbance cannot reach. And the final image, simple yet most miraculous, is the image of a sleeping child. Look at how a child sleeps, the belly rising and falling gently, the face relaxed, without a single wrinkle of worry. The child does not worry about tomorrow, does not calculate for the future. It entrusts its safety completely to its parents and the universe. When sleeping like a child, your body will activate its fastest and most powerful recovery ability. Tonight, do you want to be a lotus, the ocean, or a carefree child? Choose one image, hold it in your mind, and let it gently lead you into good dreams. Gratitude and smiling, the fastest healing medicine. Before your consciousness completely dissolves into sleep, join me in one final small action to send an absolute safety signal to every cell. That is, to smile and be grateful. My dear friend, science and spirituality meet at one point. Gratitude is the highest vibrational frequency of healing. When you are grateful, the brain secretes happiness hormones that act as natural painkillers and sedatives. Right now, quickly skim through today and pick up the 3 smallest pearls of joy. It could be a warm cup of morning tea, the smile of a stranger, or simply the pleasant feeling of laying your back on the bed right now. Name them and silently say thank you. And most importantly, let a gentle, meditative smile bloom on your lips. There is no need for a reason. Just smile. That smile will relax all the facial muscles, sending a message to the nervous system. Everything is fine. I am at peace. Fall asleep with that smile, so that your dreams are also woven from the brightest and most peaceful materials. Every night is a rebirth opportunity. My dear friend, sleep is a miniature version of reincarnation. When you close your eyes, you are letting go of the old self, the old worries, and even the old cells. And when dawn breaks, you will be reborn in a newer, more pristine form. Your body, after a night of deep sleep, is no longer exactly the same as yesterday's body. It has been cleansed and renewed. The right to choose is in your hands. You can choose to sink into sleep unconsciously, letting chaotic dreams sweep you away. Or you can choose to enter sleep with mindfulness and gratitude, turning it into the most profound healing therapy. Tonight, as you reach out to turn off the bedside lamp, please remember that you are not just stepping onto a mattress. You are entering a sacred temple of life. Trust absolutely, relax completely, and entrust everything to the great doctor within. Your body knows exactly what it needs to do. Wishing you a good sleep and a brilliant rebirth. If these shares bring you peace of mind, Leave a comment below as a commitment to yourself. Tonight, I choose to heal. And if you want us to continue journeying together on the path of awakening, please hit the subscribe button. Wishing you a very deep and peaceful sleep.